In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Venmo to PayPal. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy method to connect PayPal to Venmo. This method will allow you to easily transfer money between them instantly, and all that you have to do is use either of the applications to set this up. So you can start this process on PayPal or Venmo, whatever you prefer. I'm going to show you how to start it within PayPal. So to do this, tap on Payments at the bottom of your screen. So when you open PayPal, you will see Payments here in the middle. And by doing this and scrolling down under the Send category, you will be able to find Send to Venmo. So all that you have to do is go over to Payments, and then under the Send option, scroll all the way down until you see Send to Venmo. So as you can clearly notice, this is a default option within PayPal that allows you to send money to Venmo directly. So they essentially make the connection between both of these services super accessible. When you tap Send to Venmo, you will be presented with Visa Plus. Send and receive money with Visa Plus. So all that you have to do is copy your tag. So there will be a pay name on either Venmo or PayPal. If you are on Venmo, the pay name will end with .venmo, so you will have your name here, for example, john.venmo, or the same name .paypal, depending on which app you are using to start this process. So all that you have to do is copy this name and then use the send option. However, you will use the send option on the other service. So if you open Venmo and you go over to the settings by scrolling down under the buying category, you will see send money to PayPal instead. So if you start this on PayPal, you will be sending money to Venmo, and if you start it on Venmo, you will be sending money to PayPal. And once again, by tapping this option, you will see a replica of that menu where you can copy the code and then choose the send money option. In here, include the pay name of the person. So their pay name and then .venmo or .paypal, depending on which service you are transferring the money to. And by doing this, you will essentially be able to transfer between both of these, connecting them together. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Venmo to PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.